Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, our goal is to see a technical demo on how to merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF. So let me show you what I mean. Here, in this particular path, I have 10 different PDF documents and I would want to merge all of that into a single document. Let us take a quick look at the documents. If I randomly open some document, I could see that the total number of pages in this document is 1. There is only one page. Similarly, all of these files which are present here are single page documents. Yes. So now I want to club all of these 10 files or merge all of these 10 files into one single PDF. So let us quickly see how to do it using UiPath. I have created a project which is named as Join PDFs. Please try to give a meaningful name to your project. It is not mandatory, but it is a recommended practice. The first thing you will have to do after creating your project is please check if you have the PDF activities installed or not. If you are not finding it here, please go to Manage Packages and just type in PDF activities and you will be able to find this package. Kindly select that and hit on install. Once you hit on install and if you come to your activities panel and type PDF, you will be able to see a varied list of activities under your PDF package. Now, one beauty of UiPath which I will always mention is the activity names are very simple which a human can understand with the basic language which we are communicating with. So in this case, I would want to merge my PDFs. So it would of course mean to join my PDF files. We can call it that way. So you guessed it right. So the activity we will be using for our demo now is the join PDF files activity. Let us quickly drag and drop this activity to our designer panel. As soon as you drag and drop the activity here guys, it will ask us for two parameters. Okay, the first parameter is your output file name. So after you merge all the 10 PDFs which are present in this location, how do you want the bot to name your file, name the output file? So that is something you will have to mention here. And the second is what all files it has to merge. You have to send it as an array. So now let us first give the output file path. I would want to create the final output file in the same location. So I am copying this path. I am coming to my output file name and I am pasting it here. So in this path, the final file name, let us name it as final PDF and it has to be a PDF file, isn't it? So let us type a .pdf extension. So this is done. We gave the path of the final PDF file and we have also named it. Now we have to send the list of files to be merged. You could do it in two ways guys. You could come here, copy the path of each document and pass it as an array variable here. Or there is one smart way of doing it. What is that? Come to your activities panel, drag and drop in your assign activity which is present here. Once you drag and drop in your assign activity, I am trying to create a variable by hitting on Ctrl K and I am calling it files. So what should this file contain? I am giving it a value. I am using this activity called directory dot get files of and I am mentioning this path here. So I will copy this path once again. I will come back to my studio and I am pasting the paths here. So what does this activity do for us guys? Whatever is the file or the number of files which are present in this particular user location, all of the files are retrieved and we are trying to save it in a variable called files. Now a default question which might pop up is, why is it in red? So now how is UiPath creating the variable? By default, any variable which you create in UiPath will be of a string type, isn't it? What is a string? It is a group of characters. Now here we have multiple values. A string is something which will hold a group of characters, but we have multiple values, which means it has to be an array. We are passing multiple values. So let us come to the variable type of it and change it to array. An array of which data type? It has to be a string data type. So once I hit on OK, we will see that the error is vanishing. So this is how you will pass in the input variables. Now let us come here, and the parameter still remains the same. I am passing it as files. So what am I exactly doing here? To revise it one more time, I am using the directory.getFiles activity to get all the PDF files which are present in this location, and then I am saving it in an array which is named as files. Then I am using my join PDF activity. I am passing on the files, which means all the 10 PDF files are present in this variable called files, and then I am also telling where to save the final output file. Now before executing, let us quickly rename our activities. Again, this is a recommended practice but not a mandatory practice, but I highly suggest you that you rename your activities so that it will improve the readability of the user. So assign, what are we trying to do? Retrieve the PDF files and assign it to array. I am saying we are retrieving the PDF files here and we are trying to assign it to an array variable. Okay, join PDF file, it looks fine, it is self-explanatory. So now what we will do is, let us quickly run our workflow. So just see the time, guys. It is just in seconds. Okay, I think it is just 2 or 3 seconds, and we see that we have a final PDF file which is created, and looking at the size of it, I am 100% sure that it has merged all the files. But why doubt? Let us quickly open this file and see if it has really merged everything. It has 10 pages because we had 10 documents here. So yes, this looks perfect. Let us quickly scroll down and see if everything is copied fine or not. Like, say, suppose in page number 5 we are having these tools, right? So let us quickly open the document type 6. It is from page number 5. So let us open the page number 5, and it looks the same. Chapter 1 template, and this is what is in our merged PDF file also. Isn't it wonderful? So that brings us to the end of our demo, and that is how you can merge hundreds of PDF files into a single PDF just by using 2 activities in your studio. Thank you for watching the demo. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts on this demo, please do mention it in the comments section. I will try to address it as much as possible. Thank you once again.